3, 2, 1, go! And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. No, stay there. Stay there. Son of a bitch.
They're drilling the shit out of here.
Pressure fire.
Huh?
I pressures on the most.
What's the plan? Run across, real quick. Two on balcony.
Yeah, way to pull it. How many respawn on this?
Throw a grenade. Yeah! What? Everybody go. Hey! Let's go. Ready? Go. I think the balcony's down. Let's go. Who's medic? Let's wait for more people. They probably don't know we're up here yet. Alright, hold on. Let's get more people. Let's get more people. Fuck. They're not coming. We got nobody down there. I almost got him too.
Fucking bullshit. I shot him.
Where's our medic?
Downstairs.
You guys all hit?
I'm not hit. Stay down. Come out. I threw his fucking ass up in the face.
Good. Fucking right in the face. I shot him and he didn't fall.
Come on out. We're not gonna shoot you, just come out.
Clear up here,
Come on up, come on up. Where's our medic?
Back behind us.
Medic, where's medic?
He's downstairs.
Go get him.
He's not coming.
He's not coming?
How's it looking behind this wall?
All right, you're medic. By the power vested in me, you are the motherfucking medic. Get his ass. I killed one. I got one dead. Unknown how many are left.
Hey. Hey. Next.
Huh?
Stairs.
I think it's our guy.
No, that's-
Hey!
No!
Where
We're
is
friendly!
Hey! On the stairs!
We're on the team! Yo, you alright?
Yeah.
Gunner down!
Hey, let's move over here.
You see him?
Yeah, he's coming over. I'll give you suppressing fire.
I'm gonna go into there.
He's going over there.
Ready? Yeah, cover and fire. I'm going to there.
1, 2, 3.
Yo, what's in his move up over there.
I almost fucking shot him.
Yo, we got one through this hole.
Through the hole?
Right Right here.
Hold on, I'm reloading. Fuck you. Where?
Holy shit.
I'm gonna return with some ridiculous rate of fire. High cap.
He's right there. Do not pop out. Do not.
Turn your light off.
Do not pop out. Keep watching it. Oh.
This mag doesn't feed for shit.
Yo, are you down? Hey, over here. You down? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go get this. Hey, watch this real quick.
Alright.
Hey, I'm coming in.
We're good. We're on your team. You're clear.
All the way back there. There's a guy all the way in the back left.
Coming over.
Alright, come over.
Where?
Where is he? Where is he?
Right here.
Somebody shooting through a crack or something. Somebody's shooting through something small. So I'm receiving fire and I can't see where the hell's coming from.
Yo.
What do you see? What'd he get you?
Portrait, are you ready?
Aye, aye.
And 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
You hit him? I hit the thing that's walked by, he didn't call it. Come on, pop out. Good? Nobody's moving. Oh, wait, I see people.
They're in the windows.
In the windows?
Yeah, they're in the windows.
From what I can tell, nobody's in there. It's just a matter of whether they're gonna be. He's going for it.
Yeah, I might need a schmog. I really need it. I left my phone. Put it in my washing machine. Smells like girls' perfume.
What, the guy's got a shield on his gun.
Kyle.
Dude's got a shield on his gun.
Kyle. What? Want to see a screen of boobies? Ready? Turn that, stranger. Stay back. Yo, stay back. Yeah. I'm getting ricocheted. Son of a bitch! Yo, just pass over here. Kyle! What? Cover fire. Where? I can't see. They're in that center gunner's window.
I'm running across. Hey. Hey. Coming across. I'm coming across.
Ready? Go! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here, right there. Jesus has blown his load.
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna try it.
There it is.
Is there anybody in this room?
There you go.
That's where it's at. Nelson's up here, dude.
Yeah, Nelson's in that room over there with just the 1911.
I know.
Where's everyone else at?
Behind us.
Oh, the enemy all the way up?
I think so.
Any in this room?
I don't think so.
I want to get to that wall.
You can take it. I mean, there's nobody. This dude down here is inaccurate fire as hell.
Right.
I stick my gun on it. He's like way up here. I'm like,
What was
okay.
that?
Where's he at?
Just left. I'm coming across.
Nope, tactical battery change. Well, hold on.
He's in here.
No window. Heads up, Jared. Come here, come on. Where's the kid with the red belt? He's going back. I shot at him too, but he missed.
What do we got?
Where's the kid with the red belt? He's going back. Yeah.
What do we have?
I don't know how clear this room is.
What?
Watch out for the guys with windows out there.
So what are we doing?
Huh? What are you doing?
Clear it, clear it. Get number one. Hold fire, hold fire.
Covering fire! Covering fire!
Ready, hold
He's in that window way down there.
go.
We need to get to where Nelson's at.
He's right over there in that window.
Nelson, this way.
Sounds like there's a raindrop.
Hey, Kyle. Alright, you want to get yours? I got you. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What's next? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go. Ingo, go. Molly, you ready? I'll go with you. Where are we going? In there.
Watch in there. No.
3, 2, 1, go. Just a trail of BBs. That's hilarious. Looks like jizz trail. If you want to clear this corner, I'm game, but I only got my batter's down.
I'll get up to this window. I think I have 8-4.
Well, I got a 9-6, but I'd rather just keep going because it's almost done.
Alright, you go here.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Get it?
Yes.
Better be.
No, can
Stay there. Get it. Fuck.
There's a guy right here. Right here.
Where's he at?
He's right.
Another guy right center.
That's him.
What the fuck? Good thing I'm left-handed too. I can shoot left-handed.
Yeah, I can too. He's right. Center.
straight as an arrow. Straight as an arrow.
Dude, that's way over 1,250. That might be a friend. Might be Joe.
Come here.
Turn your light off.
Nobody wants that, I think.
Stay there. Good.
What do you see?
Nothing. Alright, shells. Speak to the shell.
Me.
Oh,
Practical face release.
they're on the left.
Where? Come on out. Let me shoot you in the face. That's what it's gonna be.
We just need to get a stream going and just cross them. How do you think it looks from the left? What do you think it looks like from the left of us?
Don't cross the streams. Right at the
It's too much fun.
right at the top of the stairs. So we're kicking off.
Go down. Go. Shit, I see him.
You're out. Get down. You're out, get down. Somebody right there.
Tag one.
Right here. There's somebody right here.
Go on. Go. Where's he at?
He should be somebody right there.
He's in that left. In that window. That's on that left wall.
Who's right here?
Dude, they're coming down the stairs downstairs.
Huh?
You see where he's at?
No.
Alright, look. Look through here. You'll see his mask through the window. That's illegal. That's legal. That's a legal shot. I already tested it. They're behind us.
Huh?
Where are you going?
Where's the enemy at now? They get down the stairs here?
No, they're up at the top. They keep popping out. They got me.
No, we know where
In the room. He's in the room back there.
Yeah, go with me. You and Kyle lead that. I felt bad I shot that little kid. Kind of scary.
I popped down. I was like, brrr.
He came on the stairs and just kind of slightly put his gun around the corner. And he kind of came out a little bit.
Who's behind us? Who's behind us? Is that it?
Yeah, that's them. No, don't shoot. That's our team.
Fuck. All right, well, at least we got Kyle in there. You want to clear the downstairs?
There's a guy on the left.
Where? Where left?
Did you see him?
Yeah.
Did that light just turn on when you shoot?
No, I have a pressure switch. Second. Whenever I want. Huh?
How much was that?
I don't remember.
Oh, you ran right side.
Hit. All right.
Oh, there's a guy right there. I think.
Oh, down there. Let's go for this other side.
Oh, down. All right. That's game. Game over. Good job. Hey, it's Joe. What do you know? I killed most of your team.